This video provides information from the internet, and we do not promote any products or medicines. Always consult a doctor before using any medication. We are not responsible for any side effects or issues resulting from self-medication.
Lympedim Tablet is an innovative treatment option for managing inflammation and edema. It is effective in restoring lymphatic function and boosting immunity. Indications and uses. This medication is indicated for the management of conditions characterized by inflammation and edema, such as lymphedema, sprains, bruises, injuries, contusions, fractures, post-operative swelling, and dental extractions. It plays a crucial role in controlling infections like subacute lymphangitis and addressing signs of chronic venous insufficiency, including lower extremity edema accompanied by skin itchiness, discomfort, and varicose veins. Additionally, it is beneficial in enhancing microcirculation and accelerating wound healing. How it works. It works by increasing the number of immune cells in the body that help break down excess proteins causing swelling while also reducing chronic inflammation and bacterial growth. Directions for use. Take the medication exactly as advised by your physician. Swallow the tablet whole with a glass of water, do not crush or chew it. It is essential to adhere to the prescribed dosage and not exceed the recommended daily amount. Your healthcare provider will determine the appropriate dose and duration of therapy based on your age, body weight, and overall health. Possible side effects. Side effects may include mild nausea and diarrhea, particularly during the initial treatment phase, but these symptoms usually subside after the first month of use. Precautions and warnings. Prior to using this medication, it is important to inform your healthcare provider if you have any liver or kidney issues. Pregnant or breastfeeding women should also consult their doctors before starting treatment. Additionally, it is contraindicated for individuals allergic to Coumarin. FAQs. 1. What is 5,6 benzo-alpha-pyrone? It is an immunostimulant anti-inflammatory drug used for managing inflammation and edema. 2. How does the medication work? It reduces inflammation and promotes the breakdown of excess proteins causing swelling. 3. Are there side effects? Mild nausea and diarrhea may occur, typically resolving within the first month. 4. Is it safe for children? There are no adequate studies for children, so consult your doctor before use. 5. Can it be used during pregnancy? Consult your doctor as there is limited information on its safety in pregnant women. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or suggestions, please leave a comment below. We appreciate your feedback and engagement.